For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello friends, myself Maimun Aksa. Today we learn about stomatitis. So let's begin. First, definition. Stomatitis is an inflammation of the mucous lining of the mouth, which may involve the cheeks, gums, tongue, lips and roof or floor of the mouth. The word stomatitis is literally means inflammation of the mouth. So guys, inflammation of the mouth is called stomatitis. Next, introduction. Stomatitis is an inflammation of the lining of any of the soft tissue structure of the mouth. It is usually a painful condition associated with redness, swelling and occasional bleeding from the affected area. The inflammation may be caused by conditions in the mouth itself, such as poor hygiene from burns from hot food or drinks, or by conditions that affect the entire body, such as medications, allergic reactions, or infections. Next, see the picture of stomatitis. Next, causes of stomatitis. Chemotherapy, radiotherapy, trauma, smoking, poor hygiene, chewing tobacco, infection in which viral, fungal and bacterial. Dehydration. Dehydration means you don't have enough fluid in your body to produce the saliva you need. It's also common for your mouth to become dry if you are feeling anxious or nervous. Then medication. Many kinds of drugs cause oral ulceration, including some beta blockers, antibiotics and anti-inflammatory drugs. Then burning inside the mouth with food and drink. Gum disease. Sensitivity to some foods and ingredients. Sensitivity to some medications. This all about cause of stomatitis. Next, sign and symptoms. Pain or discomfort in the mouth. The presence of open sores or ulcer in the mouth. Fever, sometimes as high as 101 to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Irritability and restlessness. Blister in the mouth. Blister in the mouth means mouth ulcer. Also known as a cancer source, they can make eating, drinking and talking uncomfortable. Swollen gums which may be irritated and bleed. Dysphagia. Dysphagia means difficulty or discomfort in swallowing. Foul smelling breath. This all about signs and symptoms of stomatitis. Next, types of stomatitis. Nutritional deficiency stomatitis, aphthous stomatitis, angular stomatitis, denture related stomatitis, allergic contact stomatitis, migratory stomatitis and herpetic gingivostomatitis. See the in detail types of stomatitis. Nutritional deficiency. Malnutrition in which improper dietary intake or malabsorption in which poor absorption of nutrient into the body can lead to nutritional deficiency states, several of which can lead to stomatitis. For example, deficiency of iron, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B9 or vitamin B12 may all manifest as stomatitis. So guys, nutritional deficiency means lack of iron and vitamin B. Next, aphthous stomatitis. Aphthous stomatitis is the recurrent appearance of mouth ulcer in otherwise healthy individuals. The cause is not completely understood, but it is thought that the condition represents a T cell mediated immune response which is triggered by a variety of factors. The individual ulcer recur periodically and heal completely, although in the more severe forms new ulcer may appear in other parts of the mouth before the old ones have finished healing. So, Phthisis stomatitis means a small, shallow sore inside the mouth or at the base of the gums. Next, see the picture of the Phthisis stomatitis. Then, angular stomatitis. Inflammation of the corners of the lips is termed angular stomatitis or angular cheilitis. In children, a frequent cause is repeated lip licking, and in adults, it may be a sign of underlying iron deficiency, anemia, or vitamin B deficiency. So, angular stomatitis is inflammation and small cracks in one or both corners of the mouth. Next, denture related stomatitis. This is a common condition present in denture wearers. Treatment is by antifungal medication and improved dental hygiene, such as not wearing the denture during sleep. So, denture related stomatitis means common condition where mild inflammation and redness of the oral mucous membrane occur beneath a denture. In about 90% of cases, Candida species are involved, which are normally a harmless component of the oral microbiota in many people. Next, allergic contact stomatitis. Allergic contact stomatitis is uncommon allergic reaction affecting the inside of the mouth caused by contact with an allergen, usually flavoring metals or other components in oral hygiene products, foods, dental restoration and medication. So, allergic contact stomatitis means oral mucosal immunoinflammatory disorder characterized by pain, burning sensation or itchiness. Then, migratory stomatitis. Migratory stomatitis, in which or geographic stomatitis, is an atypical presentation of a condition which normally presents on the tongue, termed geographic tongue. Geographic tongue is so named because there are atrophic erythematous areas of depopulation that migrate over time, giving a map-like appearance. So, migratory stomatitis means harmless condition affecting the surface of the tongue. Then, herpetic gingivostomatitis. This is inflammation of the caused by herpes simplex virus. Herpetic gingivostomatitis means infection caused by the herpes simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus can easily be spread from one child to another child. Then, management. Coating agents such as a bismuth salicylate, sucralfate or other antacid, water-soluble lubricant for mouth and lips. Topical analgesics such as a benzamine hydrochloride. Topical anesthetics such as a lidocaine viscous, in which might impair gag reflex for a short period. So, gag reflex. The gag reflex, also called the pharyngeal reflex. This reflexive action helps to prevent choking and keeps us from swallowing potentially harmful substance. Then, oral or parenteral analgesics, including opioid if needed for pain not controlled with above. Antiseptic mouthwash, protective pastes, local anesthetic mouthwash or spray, oral analgesic, in which painkillers. So, Oral analgesic, which is an NSAIDs, diclofenac, can relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Topical corticosteroid. Corticosteroid in which hydrocortisone, betamethasone and clobetasone. Then home care tips. Avoiding food or drink that is too hot and possible trigger foods such as spicy food or citrus drink. So avoid spicy food and drink. Gargling salt water dressings or uses of special mouthwashes may help with discomfort. Gels are available for mouth ulcers including age-appropriate ones for children. Seek medical advice. Medication for antiviral medicine. I hope all topics are understood. Thank you.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.